Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a cord. I got the new iPhone 16 Pro, and I needed a charger for it, so I got this one here. This one here will do input 110 to 240, so you could travel with this as well. And the output is 5 volts at 3 amps, so it'll be a nice fast charger, and 20 watts, so we're going to be good to go. So it comes with the little plug, it comes with the wire for it, and so I'll just be able to plug it in. I don't have this one here has the lightning because I'm filming with my actual new phone, but this is what it will do, and it will charge, and I could even charge my iPad with this because it's going to be plenty of power to do that. So how cool is that? Nice little convenient plug, and if you're buying any of the new phones or anything like that, you're going to definitely want to pick up something like this. You know, it comes with, I think, a wire now, but it doesn't come with the nugget, so you're kind of out of luck on a lot of that stuff. But I'll show you guys here the length of this one here. It looks like it's going to be about 3 feet long or so. It's funny, the camera moves with me. But okay, but that's it, and it's really cool. And so it says it's IVDIO. I don't know, but very cool. Thumbs up for sure. Pick up one of these.